Eyes forward. We've got little intel and less time, so pay attention. We have an evolving incident at the Old Blackwood Pier in Kauai. What began as a community-led fundraiser has been hit by an attack. Group affiliation is unconfirmed. Expect a high density of civilians, scattered first responders, and a volatile environment. Lucia Torres, a well-respected community figure, organized this event and is present at the scene. She doesn't seem to be connected to the perps, but we must remain vigilant. Mayor Echeverria commissioned her earlier in the year to organize today's fundraiser, to clean up the pier's current state. Our department has been involved in the cleanup and fundraiser organized by Ms. Torres. But due to the overwhelming amount of resource strain we've been under this past month, security detail for the event has been minimal. Any LSPD staff in attendance are considered off-duty. Both Governor Whitfield and Mayor Echeverria left the pier after their speeches earlier in the day, so we can determine that no VIPs are part of our suspects' objectives. At 2100 hours, Coast Command identified a suspicious vessel off the shoreline, matching the behavior of a similar contact logged the night before. Officers lost visual during the pursuit. The vessel was seen carrying some form of cargo, but no identification or confirmation was provided. No direct link has been confirmed between these two vessels, but the timing, navigational patterns, and their proximity to their path and the event itself place it under suspicion. Calls to 911 have noted assailants blending into the crowd and potentially LSPD officers responding who are shooting at civilians, some of whom are also armed. We're uncertain what's going on here. Suspects are believed to be armed and dressed in civilian attire. Civilian casualties are unconfirmed, but reports suggest chaos. At this stage, we do not have hard IDs. Based on past activity, profiling, and motives, it suggests possible involvement from Los Navegantes del Caos, or whatever's left of them now. However, this remains unconfirmed at this time, and we are unaware if they are in cooperation with any other third parties. Our contacts at FISA have not been forthcoming with their information on this attack. I'm sure they'll chime in afterwards if our suspicions are correct. There is no current indication of a hostage situation. No demands have been issued. We also received no warning before the event from intelligence agencies suggesting it was a likely terror event, or information before the attack itself. We're treating this as a potential premeditated attack targeting a high-density civilian event. The pier layout will complicate your approach. The Dream Shore amusement park area of the pier has had a lot of pedestrian traffic come through for the event. Visibility is limited. Crowd movement is expected to be erratic. Civilians may be sheltering inside storefronts, maintenance areas, or along any other low visibility or close quarter areas. Entry teams should anticipate confusion. Visibility is limited, and there are potential ambush positions throughout. You are to move in, locate and secure any civilians, identify and suppress armed threats, and contain the area before this escalates any further. TOC will provide updates en route. Comms discipline is critical. Bearcat departs in 10. Rally is on Jefferson Boulevard and 52nd Street. Other elements are staging now. That's it. We roll in 10. Let's go.
This is LSPD air support arriving shortly at Operation Zone.
Negotiations have failed with the active shooter. Make entry and clear the area.
I don't want to die.
Hands off! Police! Don't move!
I have to find my friends.
Police, get down!
Turn around and stay still.
Put your hands where I can see!
Target located east. Keep eyes sharp.
Get down now! down! Get on the ground now! Get down on your knees!
Civilian's good to go. Compliant.
Moving into hand.
Entry team, this is Talk. Proceed with mission.
Have any weapons on you? Civilian is ready.
Come out and get down! Get down now! Hands up! Do it! Hands on your head! Do it now! Keep your hands behind your back.
We've got a visual on the target, approaching from the southern
Enter
end.
Pentagon. We have a civilian in custody and ready for transport.
This is Talk. Beauty. Keep them coming.
Get down and don't move! Get down and put your hands where I can see them! Or down! Don't move! Put your hands up and get on the ground! Get down!
Getting down. I don't have a gun.
Put your hands up and get down! Put your hands now! Drop the weapon and get down on your knees! Police, don't move! Hands up, asshole! No! Freeze! Police, drop the weapon! Under arrest!
Get down and need attend.
Element, this is Talk. Medical assistance is standing
Get
by.
down and put your hands up!
Target found north.
All finished? Evidence. Good to safe. Put your hands up now! Hands in the air! Get down! Now! Police! Hands up! LSPD! Don't move! Put your hands where I can see them! Down now! Police! Get down! Hands up high! LSPD! Hands up! Get down and put your hands up now! Hands up! Get on the ground now!
You're gonna
Hands
be
up!
okay.
Don't move!
Got the wrong guy!
Lead to talk. Civilian good to go for evac.
Lead, this is Talk. Continue with objectives.
I'm cool, right? I can go home?
Arms outstretched! LSPD! Please, hands up! Put your hands up and get down slowly! Don't run or reach for anything! Put your hands up! Hands up! Police, get down! Move it! Police! No! LSPD! I can't!
Provide cover.
I'm getting down slowly.
Get down! I want to see hands!
Civilian good to go for evac.
Provide
Talk here.
support.
Trailer notified.
You gonna tell me what's going on?
Use the mirror. Check for targets.
I got the wand.
Looking good, sir. One civilian, unarmed.
Cover the area.
Copy.
Good.
Open and clear with flashbangs.
Doing it. Staying out.
LSPD, hands up! Get down! Police, don't move!
Provide support on me.
Gotcha.
Civilian ready for transport.
Talk to entry team. Continue mission.
Turn around.
I'm ready.
We're not here for you.
Doc.
Civilian's ready.
Talk reporting. Keep going.
Get down and put your hands up!
Moving into handcuffs. I have to do this.
Talk. Civilian ready for transport.
Talk. Element, this is Talk. Roger, trailers inbound.
What's up?
Get down! I want to see hands! Put your hands up!
Please, don't move.
I'm innocent.
Moving
Maintain
into
cover.
handcuffs.
I have to cuff you for our safety.
Lead to talk. Civilian, good to go.
Doc reporting.
On me.
Trailer standing by.
Mirror for suspects.
Roger. Mirrors ready. Nothing. We're good. All clear.
Cover this area.
In position. Doors unlocked.
Why me?
Move in and clear it.
Confirmed.
Swap. Switching me.
Moving!
Nothing.
Dropping a light.
Stay on me.
Breathe at this.
Got you, six.
Who's there?
Get down on your knees. Let me see those hands. Down on the ground now. Hands up. Drop to your knees.
I got him. You're safe. Try and stay calm. Civilian, move up.
To talk.
Entry
Civilian is
talk.
secured.
Entry team, this is Talk. Trailers inbound.
Hold the handle and clear.
Moving into place.
I'm going. Gas! Fuck! Stay away from the gas! Clear the gas! Good here.
Entry team to talk.
Dropping
Weapons
a light.
secure.
Doc to element. Forensics notified.
Gas! 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 Fuck the gas!
On me. Move.
I got him.
Look at all these people. Like they never had a chance to know what was happening.
TOC here. Proceed with mission.
Team to talk. We got a suspect here and need a medical attention.
Lead, this is TOC. Clean house and we'll take them out.
Cuffs are on. Good to go. Civilians ready to go. Got a bag.
Visual confirmed. Target on the move. South.
Stay calm. Stay calm.
So many dead. Now, this place is just another memorial site after this.
A hostage has just been executed.
Need medical
We
attention.
have a suspect down here. Need hands ASAP. What's your name?
TOC to entry team. EMTs and trailers are standing by.
All baggage. Gotta pack it up.
Need you to slide over.
Begin a search. Secure any contacts.
You're in my spot.
Move there.
I'm moving.
Fall in behind me.
Right with you.
On my 6.
I'm with you.
Search the room for contacts.
Doing it.
Element to talk. One civilian down. Search and secure the area.
LSPD!
Police! Hands in the air! Police! I want to see those hands outstretched! LSPD, suspect ready for way.
Suspect cuffed and secure.
Evidence. Good
Don't
to
worry,
go.
we're gonna get you out of here.
Got it bagged.
Good to
Thank you
go.
so much. Oh,
Lead.
God.
Good to go.
Thank you.
Civvy is ready.
TOC to lead. Trailers incoming. Proceed with caution.
Breathe. Just breathe.
Begin a search. Secure any contacts.
Checking the area.
I just want this to be over.
Sweeping. Searching.
Hands up now! Drop to your knees! Don't move. Stay put.
There's more of them running around.
Doc to
Civilian
element.
captain ready
Head
for
on over to
trials.
debrief, everyone. Mission is complete.